I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming platform and recipient. This matters because Critical Ops does not support direct in-game credit swaps across platforms. Once done, make sure you have a valid payment method or a prepaid gift card to buy credits for them. Open the store for your platform, Google Play or App Store, and choose either a platform gift option or a purchase that produces a redeemable code. This first step moves you from intent to action quickly. Don't waste time searching for in-game transfer buttons that aren't available. Now you'll complete the purchase. If your platform supports direct gifting, enter the recipient's email or account and follow prompts. The store handles delivery. If not, buy a prepaid gift card or developer-sold credit voucher and copy the redeem code from the confirmation screen or email. Make sure to double-check similar characters like O versus 0 and I versus 1. After purchase, forward the code securely or instruct the friend to redeem it in their store. This is the reliable middle ground to finish by guiding the recipient to redeem the code in their platform store. Once redeemed, open Critical Ops so the game syncs the new balance. If credits don't show, make sure they redeemed on the same platform account used by the game, then restart the app or device to force synchronization. If issues persist, have them provide the purchase receipt or code screenshot to platform support for resolution. This troubleshooting step solves most problems quickly and preserves the value you sent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.